Paneer butter masala is a popular Indian dish made with paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cooked in a rich and creamy tomato-based gravy. Here's a recipe to make paneer butter masala. Ingredients: 200 grams paneer, cut into cubes. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 large tomatoes, pureed. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup cashew paste, optional. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro leaves for garnishing. Instructions: heat the butter and oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pan. Sauté for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Pour the tomato puree into the pan and cook for a few minutes until the oil separates from the mixture. Add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the spices to blend together. Reduce the heat and add the heavy cream to the pan. Stir well to combine with the tomato and spice mixture. If using cashew paste, add it now as well. Gently add the paneer cubes to the gravy, making sure they are well coated. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. If the gravy is too thick, you can add a little water to adjust the consistency. Taste the gravy and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Once the paneer is cooked and the flavors have developed, remove the pan from heat. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves and serve hot with naan, roti, or rice. Enjoy your homemade paneer butter masala.